Wow, this is my spring chicken vegetable rice, guys. Thank you so much. See you in our next video. Hi guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video we are going to be making a spring and chicken vegetable rice. Okay guys, and these are my ingredients we are going to use to prepare this spring rice. Okay guys, so as you can see I have my ingredients here. This is green and yellow pepper, green beans, my rice, chicken, and my spring, guys. Okay, so I'm going to this chicken, guys, I'm going to cut it in two parts. I use one part, okay guys, with this spring. So and these are my ingredients. So now I want to use this medium to wish my old and new subscriber, my returning subscriber, and if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribe, like and share, and press that red button so that anytime I upload any video you will be the first to notify, guys. Thank you and God bless you. Thank you so much, my family. God bless you all. And those that be watching my video, God Almighty bless you guys. So and this one is ginger powder, and this one is garlic powder, and this one is ginger powder, and this is my color. So I'm going to put it. This is paella powder I'm going to use also, and this is my salt. I have my Maggi also. So I have going to cut the chicken into two parts so that we fry it and the spring together before we start preparing the rice. Okay guys, stay tuned as we start. Thank you and God bless you. Keep watching. I really appreciate it. Thank you all. God bless you. Stay tuned. We are going to start now. Okay, so first thing we are going to cut the chicken into two parts and cut it in small pieces. So guys, you can see my powder Maggi. So this is chicken powder Maggi none. So as you can see, my chicken, I finished cutting it. See it in the fire. This is my chicken. This is how I want it, guys. See how smaller it is. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put my spring on it so that the both of them will go together. So I'm going to stir it. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to start frying the vegetable. So I'm going to start frying the vegetable. I'm going to bring out my other pot. I'm going to on my second side of gas. So I'm going to put my pot on it. And I put an oil. Just a little oil to fry the vegetable, guys. Wow, this is it. I'm using the two gas. So my onions, salt, I'm going to put it now in my pot. I like this rice. This rice is the best rice to use to cook this spring and chicken rice. Okay, this rice is very good. So I don't like the long rice. This is Ekpoma rice, guys. This one is the best rice you like to use to prepare this delicious spring chicken vegetable rice. Okay. So next I'm going to fry this. I'm going to fry this now. First of all, let me put a little bit of salt. Okay, guys. So guys, my spring and my chicken, we have this way I want it. So I will step it aside and off the gas. So we are going to continue frying the vegetable. So as you can see, everything is here. So we are going to fry this. So we are going to stir it. And after that, I'm going to put my green beans. Okay, guys, I'm going to add green beans to it so that both we now stew together. Okay, guys. This is how I want it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it for a while. Okay, guys, so meanwhile we'll be adding everything, the mangi, the ginger powder and the garlic powder, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be adding them a little by little, guys. So I bring out a bowl and put my rice. So I'm going to add a little cup, a half on it, half cup of rice to it. Okay, guys. So guys, as you can see, and this is my rice, and this bag is coming with 5 kilo. This rice is 5 kilo, guys. So you can see, this is 5 kilo. So I'll just take 2 cups of rice on it to cook. Okay, guys, very nice rice and it's very good. So we are going to warm it. We are going to use warm water to wash it. Okay, guys, so we remove the starch on it. Okay, guys. So guys, you can see I put my ginger powder, my garlic powder. So now I'm going to add my Maggi powder. Okay, guys, 1 spoon. So I'm going to stir it. So guys, I will be adding my colorante, my color on it. It's going to yellow. See it? Yep. It's going to yellow now, guys. So I'm going to leave it for 2 minutes before I will now add my this to it. So So guys, you can see I finished washing my rice. You can see the color I put is making my food to yellow, guys. So you can see the next thing I'm going to pour in this. Wow, it's going to be yummy yummy. It's going to be yummy yummy today, guys. Wow. So I'm going to stir it. It's going to be yummy yummy. Mamma mia, mamma mia. Wow, 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 wow. So we are going to pour rice. So I'm going to pour in my rice. So I think I'm going to change my pot. I think this pot is not going to. I think I'm going to change my pot, guys. Wow, this is so yummy. Okay, let me change my pot, guys. So guys, you can see this is caldo de pollo, guys. I'm going to be adding it. See it? It's caldo de pollo. Okay, guys. So I'm going to add it. It's just like. Going to cover it. I'm going to cover with foil paper, guys. So just have changed it to another pot. For the pot I was using before, it was too small, so I have to change it to another bigger pot. So I'm going to cover with foil paper, guys. So guys, so let's come and check our mamma mia. Wow, this is so yummy. So yummy. See you guys. So guys, like and share, subscribe, keep liking, share. Thank you so much, guys, for standing here to watch my video till the end. God mighty bless you all. So guys, keep watching, subscribe. See you in our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
You don't her finish, you just want the run go. No, now press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press am to subscribe. Now yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press am to the get her notification. Now if you dey go, thank you. I love ya.